Since last 2 days, the weather of over Goa is changed a lot. Since last 2 days, the clouding over Goa region is increased. The reason behind this is there are two systems in the Arabian Sea. The one well-marked low, which is over southwest Arabian Sea and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean. It is still today persisting and it is going to become a depression in next 12 hours. But because of the effect of these two systems, Goa is going to get a light rain in another 2-3 days. Yesterday, India Meteorological Department, no station had recorded the rainfall, but a light rainfall in the form of trace is noticed over Panjim last night.